The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm watch number 269 until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The following counties include: in Ohio, this watch includes 9 counties. In East Central Ohio: Belmont, Carroll, Columbiana, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Noble, and Tuscarawas. In Pennsylvania, this watch includes 14 counties. In Northwest Pennsylvania: Forest and Venango. In Southwest Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Fayette, Greene, Washington, and Westmoreland. In West Central Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Butler, Clarion, Indiana, Jefferson, Pa. In Western Pennsylvania: Beaver and Lawrence. In West Virginia, this watch includes 8 counties. In Northeast West Virginia: Preston. In Northern West Virginia: Marion, Monongalia, and Wetzel. In the Northern Panhandle of West Virginia: Brooke, Hancock, and Marshall, Ohio. This includes the cities of Aliquippa, Ambridge, Beaver Falls, Brookville, Butler, Cadiz, Caldwell, Cambridge, Canonsburg, Carrollton, Clarion, Columbiana, Connellsville, Dover, East Liverpool, Elwood City, Fairmont, Follinsby, Ford City, Franklin, Greensburg, Indiana, Kingwood, Katanning, Latrobe, Martins Ferry, Masontown, Monica, Morgantown, Moundsville, Murraysville, New Castle, New Kensington, New Martinsville, New Philadelphia, Oil City, Pittsburgh metro area, Punxsutawney, Salem, Street, Claresville, Steubenville, Terra Alta, Tionesta, Uniontown, Washington, Waynesburg, Weirton, Wellsburg, Wheeling, and Woodsfield. Remember that a severe thunderstorm watch means that severe weather is favorable for strong hail and winds. The weather may not be imminent, but the severe weather may intensify. Stay tuned for your local channel for weather and news for your local area. You're listening to WPXI Pittsburgh.